Well, today we are going to do Deep Water by William Douglas. आज हम डीप वाटर को करेंगे जिसको विलियम डगलस ने लिखा है. इट्स फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द ऑथर ऑफ ओ मैन एंड माउंटेन्स इज William O. Douglas. Deep Water is an excerpt taken from Of Men and Mountains. Douglas had a dash for the water, both A and B. The author went to a pool at the YMCA when he was about dash years old, 10 or 11. His mother told him that the Yakima River was treacherous. The meaning of treacherous is dangerous. The pool was maximum dash feet deep, 9 feet. The author was a dash person, skinny. The author's father took him to the beach in California when he was dash years old, 4 years. At the beach he was buried in water and his heart was filled with fear. At the pool, the author tried to learn swimming by dash the other boy, aping. When he started to feel at ease, a big dash boy tossed him into the deep end of the pool. Bully. The big bruiser boy was probably dash years old, 18 years old. The author was almost dash and lost his consciousness in the incident. Drowned. When the author came to senses, he was lying dash beside the pool and vomiting on his belly. The bully boy said that he was just joking. Being afraid of water, the author still wished to get into the all of the above. The fear of deprived him of the joy of canoeing, boating and swimming water. To overcome his fear, the author took the help of an instructor. He started learning swimming in the month of October. Within 6 months, that is, up to April, Douglas was able to all of the above. In the first 3 months, the instructor taught him how to all of the above. In July, he went to New Hampshire and swam 2 miles across the Lake Wentworth to Stampede Island. To clear his doubts, the author went to the warm lake and swam across to the other shore and back, just as Dash used to do. Doug Corpon. William Douglas shouted with joy after conquering the fear. Dash, returned the echo. Gilbert Peak. The author says that there is a terror only in the fear of death. All we have to fear is fear itself. These words are spoken by Franklin D. Roosevelt. Thank you for watching and sharing.